And T is for the talent and them 2 E's, so you don't forget the name Excalibur. Z's the zip zinger board that I'm passing you on. You still hoping that I pass the baton, but I hope you got your cameras on, cause ain't no passengers surviving when the damage is done. All you cats can file your damages, I'm smashing the song. Plus your shit is outdated like your calendar's wrong, boy. Sit fall back, it's all cash, record that. Or you can get your jaw cracked and stomp like floor mats. Plus we ride outside your crib, doormats with 2 niggas holding down the back. Broad strap, plus they got the big bangers, call it broad strap and leave your melon leaking like breastfeeding. She said she tempted but she won't let me caress the cleavage. It's the kind bitch, why you need a better reason? Class clown, found it funny to correct my teachers. I stand proud but I never said I pledge allegiance. I'm a veteran, flowing way colder than the 70s. Of course you be subjected to these heavy breezes. Or check the tag, miss, straight Steez varsity jacket, setting me apart from the average, cause I'm a motherfucking star. Ass just fuck friends, I'm in it for the dollars like Mavericks. Get paid, get played, get away, dashing, take 14th to Manhattan. Skip fashion, I'm still a chick magnet for women with assets that's thicker than they accents. She said she got her man on a leash, with her pants in a relationship with panties beneath. So I proceed to ask if she can stand on her knees. You already know my capital Steez. Man, it's so fucking cliche, man. Why can't I just be like every other rapper and just fucking rap? Why always gotta like overdo this shit, man?